In this video we will study how we can utilize error handling within Python. Basically, whenever we are trying to do programming in any languages, there are possible scenarios in which we can get errors based on the content we are writing within the code. For example, you have written a code that reads a FASTA file and outputs the protein sequences that are available within that particular FASTA file. In most cases, if you are just doing it for personal reasons, you would just write up the file name and then you would try to read those files and then open it through Python code and then print out the results. That would work fine because you are utilizing that code for your personal use and you know what the file name is, where the file is present within your directory. But in most cases, whenever you are sharing your code with others or whenever you are trying to read other files and doing the same thing with different files, in that scenario you have to change the file input name. We will discuss that too, but I'm just providing you the theoretical background. In that case, you have to change in the file name, you have to change the directory, you have to, because the errors depend upon how you write in the code. So to be able to handle those errors, it is not good that the code that you have written actually prints out the errors to the person who does not even know how to interpret those errors. So you should be able to handle those errors quite efficiently and provide the errors in a human readable form. So they know, okay, so that is the cause of the error and I need to fix it. Otherwise they will not be able to understand, they will not be able to, in most cases they will not be able to fix those issues. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to demonstrate that what actually it means, that about what it actually really means, the errors are, how the errors are interpreted, how we can utilize error handling that is provided by Python built in, and we will discuss how we can improve our code. So this is the basic dump code. I will obviously explain this, but I'm just going to save it on Notepad first and then we will discuss that later. So this is the error handling file. We have already created the file on PyCharm, and let's get started. First of all, this is a desktop screen, and let's get the working directory. And we have to obviously import the OS library. This is just a demonstration code. You don't really have to understand it. Just try to comprehend what is happening over here. I run the wrong code. Okay, there we go. This is our working directory, as you know. So all I need to do is I need to just change the working directory to my desktop. Set working directory